To delete your Facebook comment at once, first open Facebook app on your mobile. Now tap on profile pic in the top right and tap on three dots at the top right. Next, tap on activity log. Here, tap on your Facebook activity. Then tap on manage comments and reaction option and tap on filters. Here, tap on categories. Now select comments. You will see the all comments you have made. Here scroll down and select multiple you want to delete or select it all at once. After selecting, tap on remove. Confirm the action and the selected comment will be removed. And that's it. Thanks for watching.